Welcome to the Loveless Creek Ranch, located in beautiful eastern Oregon. Only 13 miles from the nearby town of Lakeview, Loveless Creek Ranch is easily accessed off of Highway 395. The ranch features 2 year-round creeks, 40 acres of water rights, and an established road system providing access to the land, plus direct access to thousands of acres of public land for recreational enjoyment. The topography provides incredible views of surrounding mountains and valleys, accented by the groves of quaking aspen trees, rolling meadows, and striking geological formations throughout the property. The ranch affords exclusive privacy and seclusion while maintaining excellent grazing and ranching opportunities. Landowner preference tags for mule deer are available, presenting great opportunities for the outdoorsman. There are several potential home site options throughout the property, with power supplied at the ranch's entrance. Located in southeast Oregon, just a few minutes' drive from the town of Lakeview, the owner of the ranch can easily access conveniences, a private airport, and dining. The ranch is approximately 3 hours drive to Bend, Oregon, and 2 hours drive to Klamath Falls, Oregon. The region is known for incredible recreational activities, including trophy antelope hunting, waterfowl hunting, hiking, exploring vast public lands by horse or four-wheel drive, great fishing, camping, and more. Thank you for touring this ranch with us today.